This video will show you how to make an inclinometer. Cut out the scale from the pattern and poke a hole where the X is. Enlarge the hole and slip a piece of string through it. Tape the string to the back. I mounted my scale on a piece of cardstock to make it a little bit stiffer. Tie a washer to the end of the string and make it long enough so that the washer hangs below the scale. Tape the scale to the bottom of a cardboard tube. Decide which is going to be the far end of the tube, depending on whether you're left-handed or right-handed. Cut 4 slits at the end of the tube, the top and bottom, left and right. Slip some thread through the slits. Pull it tight and tape it to the tube. To use the inclinometer, look through the tube at the object you want to measure, and when you have it in sight, pinch the string against the scale so you can hold it in place and read the number of degrees.